In Jamtara, gangs primarily utilize phishing techniques to steal personal information. They initiate fake calls, pretending to be bank representatives, demanding OTPs, PINs, and card details under the guise of KYC processes. Credit card reward scams are another strategy in Jamtara. Scammers gather details via Google Forms, luring victims into giving money under false promises of rewards. Sending fake APKs linked to government schemes is common. These malicious apps mirror victims' phones, allowing criminals to access sensitive data and exploit it further. Jamtara operates like a call center, utilizing SIM and bank accounts registered under locals, pooling resources to execute these fraudulent activities. Psychological manipulation is a key tactic. They instill fear by threatening to shut down the SIM, invoke greed by offering rewards, create urgency with immediate requests, and build trust by masquerading as officials. Moving to May, sextortion emerges as a major threat. Scammers engage victims in video chats using fake email profiles and subsequently blackmail them for money. Fake advertisements mislead victims with promises of cheap goods or liquor deliveries that never arrive, leading to significant financial losses. Job scams target individuals through WhatsApp and Telegram, enticing them into investment traps disguised as legitimate opportunities. KYC fraud is rampant in Nepal. Scammers gain remote access to victims' bank accounts through deceptive APKs, leading to financial cyberbullying. Local residents unknowingly facilitate these crimes, as their identities are often misused to operate SIMs and bank accounts. IPOC has recognized Nepal as a high-risk zone for digital fraud, highlighting the prevalence and dangers associated with online scams in the region. Meanwhile, Surat serves as a hub for money laundering. Criminals transfer victims' funds overseas through over 600 mule accounts, complicating tracking efforts. This operation ties back to significant amounts of money, exceeding 1,455 crore rupees, linked to various foreign countries like Cuba, Malaysia, and Thailand. Locals are often lured into this web for commissions that can reach up to 8 lakh rupees for providing their identities to criminals, perpetuating the cycle of fraud. Lastly, in Mumbai, the focus shifts to high-profile targeting. Scammers impersonate police or head officials, threatening victims and demanding money under the pretext of protecting their accounts. Stock market fraud and impersonation scams are common, with con artists providing fake tips or misleading victims about settlements, driving them deeper into financial distress. As the risks grow in this digital age, remain vigilant online. Your awareness is your greatest defense against these pervasive scams.